in previous video, we got an error. This one is an interesting error because I was out of time last time. So if you didn't see this error, just try to run it once more and you'll see these errors appear. And from this arrow, it's going to show you the resource not found. This is interesting. The resource not found. What is that resource not found? If you click on update activity, it will bring you to this one. It will bring you to this one. That one is txt quantity. You get to the text field quantity. You set text to the quantity. Interesting is that if you see, if you do command P over here, interesting is that if you pass in an integer, if your quantity is an integer, if you pass in an integer, it doesn't consider that integer as an integer. It's going to consider that one as the ID of the string resource to convert into string. And when trying to look at your string resource and it doesn't find the string resource with such ID, then we'll say resource not found. But that one is not what we want, right? We want the number to display as a string. Not the number is the string resource ID. So we're going to add this one as quote like this. This error is very often it's gonna happen, okay? Because even me, I get this error as well, okay? This is the interesting error. So be careful with integer values. So if you run this one now and see if it could activate the form or not, okay? If you run this one and see if it could activate the form or not, okay? So if you click on that Android, click on loads and see. Long click on this one, click on updates. Now it's taken your data and put into it has taken your data and put into the update form. Okay, it has taken your data and put into the update form. Okay, we'll deal with now we will deal with the button updates. Okay, it doesn't work because we haven't coded that method. Okay, this error is simple because if you click on update, it doesn't work because we haven't coded that method, and we're gonna code it now. Okay. So first thing first, we need to work with the database handler, product handler, to handle the update. We already worked it. So we're going to get back to our update activity. We're gonna create the method. Okay, public void on button update. Okay, on button update, click view. Okay, view. Okay, on button update, click view. Then we're going to, if it is update, click, we're going to get the new data from the text view. So you declare string new name equal to txt name dot get text dot to string, then int quantity, new quantity equal to txt. Now you're gonna need to convert into integer, so use integer dot pass int from txt quantity dot get text dot to string. Okay, so you have new quantity already. You're gonna use db handler here. You can send this data back. You can send this data back to the previous form in order to update, but I think it's simpler. It's just to update it here. Okay, so I'm gonna declare database handler. So this is product handler. Product handler equal to new product handler. Okay, pass in the context which is this, and you're gonna use product handler dot updates. Okay, products. When you update the products, you're going to pass in the ID of the product, which is the ID, then the new name, then the new quantity. Okay, you can access to the ID here because I declared it outside here already. Okay, and you get the values here. Okay, so once the update is done, we're going to finish this form. Before that, we're going to take this dot set result to the result code, result OK, and the intents to send back the data. We don't send back the data because we updated here already. Okay, so after that we're gonna finish this method. Finish this form. Okay, after that we finish this form. Okay, about the finish and set result, please watch my intents class already. Okay, we don't send back data. You can send back the data if you want to. Okay, so you can take this new name, new quantity, send it back and take over there. So when it's updated, and when you get back to the load activity, okay, when it's get back to the load activity, it's going to call to the methods. Okay, when you start an activity for result, it's gonna call for method. We're gonna override that method to write which is on activity result. Okay, and if that one you're gonna do if, okay, we're gonna do if the request code equal to, if the request code equal to update request code, just to make sure that the result of the correct request and the result code equal to result okay, equal to result okay. So if request code equal to update request code and the result code equal to result okay, this one is equal to, okay, then we're going to reload the form. Okay, if it's cancelled, then don't reload the form. So we gonna reload the form. So you're gonna load products on activity result. Load products on activity result is called when you open this activity for result. Then when it's finished, okay, it send back you the result there. When it send back you the result, you may send the data in form of intent, but we don't send data. So we send none. But at least you know the result is okay. So in the activity, it's on the result receipt. You check if the request code is this request code and the result is okay. You reload the form. So if we run this one, okay, and now get back to this. And if we go to loads, and if you long click on this one and you click on updates, now I'm going to update this one is product number 1. Okay, no, just this one. I'm gonna update. Yeah, just change it to number 1. Okay, if you click on updates, now it's loaded automatically here. So if you long click on this one again and update it back to 1. But you don't update. Let's back on this one. No, it doesn't update. Okay, long click on this one, updates, and you can update it back to 1. Okay, click on update. Yep, rock 1. You can click on add. Let's just add. Let's say product 3, quantity is 3. Okay, click on add. Okay, you click on load. You have this 1 3. Block 3 already. So we're gonna change one of them into updates product 2. Okay, updates. So it's worked now. 1 3 2. So this one is already done. Okay, for updates. So you're done with add, update, delete. In the next video, I think I'm going to do the next operation, which is to search. Okay, which is to search.